This from Dazzly, here to show you how to fix a problem with your website icon displaying incorrectly in search results. So after your website's been online a couple of weeks, you may notice that your icon is not displaying correctly in the search results. If this consistently seems to be the case, within Dazzly, you can come in here on the website menu, scroll down here to under Design and Layout, the website icon setting. Now, it may be that when you originally put your logo in, for some reason or another it wasn't ideal as an icon. That just means you need to load it in again under this website icon setting. So this is a favicon. We recommend 200 by 200 px image. If you're unsure, you can contact support and we can help you. But if you're a favicon image, you simply browse files, select the icon that you've prepared, in this case this icon file here, this image I should say. Just upload the image and we'll just pretend that's an icon image there. We'd click Save Changes, and that would be how we would go about fixing that. Obviously in this case having an actual website logo as opposed to this example image. So there's no visual change here on the website, but essentially from coming down here, now you can see the website icon is ticked off, and you'd publish the website because that's an important change. So now you can basically ensure that going forward your website has put out a version of itself with the correct icon. You can give it a couple of weeks and then again check your search results and see primarily for your homepage, but really for your whole website, make sure that it is working with that icon. If you're still having any issues, or if you have any questions generally about your favicon or ranking in search engines for your Dazzly website, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our team. You can contact us at support@dazzly.co, and we look forward to being part of your business's success online. Thank you.